Well, unfortunately, a lot of people around the world drink soda drinks every day, without even thinking about the side effects. We all know that sugary drinks are not good for our health, but still, this doesn't change the fact that people in America consume an average of 57 gallons of soda per person. As we said, while the health risks of soda should be well known by now, Americans are continuing to drink the dangerous, sugar-filled beverage in excess. Well, the good thing is that there has been a slight decrease in sales thanks to those who say they are actively avoiding it. But, unfortunately, more than $75 billion worth of soda is still being purchased every year, leading to an increased risk of diabetes, obesity, tooth decay, heart disease and more. Note, if you're still battling a sugar addiction and haven't kicked your soda habit yet, here are some amazing reasons why you should. Osteoporosis. It doesn't matter if it's diet or regular, you should know that all sodas contain phosphates or phosphoric acid to give them their tangy flavor and improve their shelf life. Unfortunately, phosphoric acid exists in many whole foods, but too much can lead to heart and kidney problems, muscle loss, osteoporosis, and can accelerate the aging process. The experts say that you should be very careful, because too much phosphoric acid in relation to calcium intake can cause bone loss, and the caffeine in soda can interfere with calcium absorption. A diet that includes soda, diet or not, decreases bone density and raises your risk for osteoporosis. Weight gain. A group of Danish researchers discovered that drinking non-diet soda leads to dramatic increases in fat buildup around the liver and skeletal muscles, both of which contribute to insulin resistance and diabetes. And, you should also know that the researchers have found that those who drank a regular soda every day for 6 months saw increases in liver fat, skeletal fat, triglyceride blood fat and other organ fat, along with an 11% increase in cholesterol. Not only does soda lead to fat gain and weight gain, it causes fat to build up in some of the worst places. Tooth decay. Did you know that dentists have a name for the tooth decay they see in children and adults who drink too much soda? Well, yes, and it's called Mountain Dew mouth. Those who drink soda in excess are winding up with a mouth full of decaying teeth. The citric acid in soda erodes the enamel and eventually the dentin, which is the core of the tooth. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The experts say that consuming too much fructose through sugary drinks can overload the liver, causing the fructose to be turned into fat. This fat can remain in the liver and lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Insulin resistance. Yes, you should also know that consuming too much sugar can also cause the cells to become resistant to the effects of insulin. When this happens, the pancreas must produce even more insulin to remove the glucose from the bloodstream, increasing insulin levels and leading to insulin resistance. Type 2 diabetes. You will be shocked when we tell you that drinking as little as 1 can of soda per day has been consistently linked to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. And, just imagine if every American added 1 can of soda to their daily diet. Almost 3.5 million people might become diabetic. Heart disease. The experts say that sugar-sweetened drinks can increase some of the main risk factors for cardiovascular disease. A recent study has discovered strong links between sugar intake and heart disease risk. And, you'll be shocked when we tell you that just 1 sugary drink per day can cause a 20% higher risk of having a heart attack or dying from a heart attack.